everyone, happy holidays! Thanksgiving is just around the corner and I'm going to teach you how to make a cute little Thanksgiving thing. I actually have been doing this for like every single Thanksgiving so far ever since I learned it, and it's great. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use smaller books just so I can do it fast enough to show you guys how it's done. But usually I use like thick books, like kind of those like paperbacks are kind of thick. The black and white ones, I think it looks really nice. But for the thin books, they're usually colored with pictures. So let's see how that's going to be. To start out, it's very simple actually. You're just going to fold the book inwards like that. And you're going to do that on every single page. So we're going to fold this side and like on the inside, see? And go. Instead of doing it again here, I'm going to fold it on this side. It's literally the same exact thing, but it just creates like different creases. I really understand why, but like, yeah, that's it. Once you finish folding all of them, it should look a little bit like this. Like I said, this is a smaller book, so it's not as full, but I'm just making it small for the sake of this video. And honestly, I kind of like it. It was like, usually the bigger books take me almost days. This took me like minutes. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And then I'm going to grab my other book. If you had a bigger book, I would just suggest using pages from the same book because it's easier, you know. But this is just another old book they're about to throw away, so why not use it? So you're going to grab the pages of the book. Even though this feels like a sin, you are going to want to rip it up. A bunch of times. Try to make it straight, like save the whole page. Once you have all of these beautiful pages, you can either use a glue, tape, or a stapler to do the following. So I'm probably going to use all three of them, so let's start. I'm going to grab a piece of paper. And I'm gonna fold it. See, like this rusty-ish side, where it's gonna fold in on it. Okay? Until it makes a feather. Notice how I'm gonna do like that. And that's my feather. My beautiful feather. We're gonna put that in the back for now. And we're gonna do a lot more. The next step of our turkey book thing is making the head. So here I got a blank piece from the book and I'm gonna measure it right here. See? And right there we can outline where our turkey head's gonna be. The turkey head, and make sure you draw it on both sides. I'm gonna outline it with a Sharpie. Now I'm gonna draw on the other side. Once you're satisfied with it, you just begin to cut it out. Now we're gonna go back to our little book thing. We're gonna grab the feathers and we're gonna start stapling it or gluing it or taping it all around here. So here's what my funky turkey looks like. It's a little weird compared to the other ones I've done because I've used different books, different papers, different everything, but 2020 is a weird year, so I guess it matches. And here comes my gobble gobble gobble. I'm going right in the middle. Isn't that cute? I think it looks really cute. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know if you made this turkey for Thanksgiving. Happy holidays!